Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IFTTT for simple lead routing automations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install IFTTT for simple lead routing automations, begin by visiting the IFTTT website or downloading the IFTTT app from your app store. Once the website loads or the app is installed, click on sign up to create a new account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, simply click on login and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to the automation or service you want to integrate, such as Gmail or Google Sheets. Select the service you wish to connect. On the service page, click on Connect to link your account. You will be prompted to provide necessary permissions. Review them, and if acceptable, grant access. Once your account is connected, navigate back to the dashboard. Click on the Create button to start building your automation. In the If This section, select the Trigger service. Choose a specific trigger event from the drop-down menu. After selecting the trigger, you'll need to configure the necessary details. Now, proceed to the Then That section to choose the action service. Select the action you want to perform based on your trigger. Similar to the trigger, configure the specifics of the action you've chosen. Once everything is set, review your automation for accuracy. When satisfied, click Finish to activate your applet. You can view all your applets on the dashboard. To make changes or explore additional options, return to the dashboard and select the relevant applet. Finally, monitor your automation to ensure it's working smoothly and efficiently. Remember to explore other applets that may enhance your workflow further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.